How to use the remote control feature on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using LG electronic products that can be remote controlled, such as air conditioners, air purifiers, washers, and stylers, you can use the remote control feature on the ThinQ app. If you use the remote control feature, you can keep your home cool while you are out, and set your washer to finish the laundry by the time you arrive home. Before using the remote control feature, make sure the wireless router is powered on and the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to use the remote control feature. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone and select the product you want to control remotely on the home screen. If the product is equipped with doors, such as washers, dryers, and stylers, or used to cook food, enable the remote control feature on the product in advance. Power the product, close the door, and press the remote control button on the panel for more than 3 seconds. The remote control feature will be disabled once you power off the product or open the door. For products such as air conditioners and air purifiers, you don't need to enable the remote control feature in advance. You can simply power them on and off by using the app, or enjoy various features by remotely controlling them.